Okay, boys and girls, we are ready for some math today. We're still working on the number 8. You should have the page that has a 3.6 at the top with those blue linking cubes. The directions say count and tell how many cubes. So we're going to touch and count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cubes, so we need to trace the number 8. You should be using a pencil. All right, remember I said you can do it 2 ways. You can do the little 2 circles on top of each other, or you can make an S and then don't wait. Go up again to make an 8. It looks like they have done the 2 circles, so I'm just making my 8 that way. Either way is fine with me as long as I can tell it is an 8. All right, count these balls and look at the number word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the word 8 is a little bit tricky because when you say it, 8, it sounds like there's an A at the beginning, a long A sound. But the number word 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T. It's one of those words you just have to memorize because it does not follow the rules. We don't hear an E at the beginning. We do not hear a G anywhere in there. It's just a word that you have to memorize and know that this says 8. It always will. Every time you see that word, it says 8, and it is the number word. All right, turn your page over. We'll do this page together, and then I'm going to give you directions for the rest of it so that I can check it when you bring it back. All right, we are still at the carnival or the fair. Look at the picture and circle the sets that have 8 in them. All right, so we'll work on it together, and then if you see something I miss, send me a message. Case found something last week that I had missed. All right, let's count these light bulbs at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we found something right away. Circle those 8 bulbs or those lights at the top. All right, let's count the stuffed animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle the teddy bears. Just 2 cows, so that's not 8. Let's look at these different cans that they're knocking over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle those. Let's count the next set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, that's not it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that's not it. All right, just 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Let's count these letters at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not going to work. All right, I think that is all I see because I can't really tell about the stripes or these little scallops because they're blocking some of them. So I think that's all that I see. If you found something different, send me a message and let me know. After that, when you turn your page over, you are going to do this page by yourself, and I'm going to check it when you bring it back to school. You're going to trace the numbers 8. Then for each box or in each section, you're going to count the picture, see how many there are, and write that number. Now, they're not all going to be 8, boys and girls, so don't go through and just write the number 8. You actually need to touch and count each picture and write that number. Then on the back page, by the red apple, you're going to look at each little set of those frogs and circle the sets that have 8. You're going to need to check each one. There might be more than one set that has 8, or there might only be one. I'm not telling. You're going to have to touch and count them. Then by the yellow sunshine, you need to draw 8 of something and write the number 8. All right, you can write, or you can draw anything that you choose. 8 trees, 8 basketballs, 8 stars, anything that you choose. Draw 8 of something and then show me how to write the number 8. Okay, if you have any questions or any problems, please send me a message and let me know. All right, have a great day, boys and girls. I'll see you soon.